This is the free motion quilting tutorial for hot candy. This design starts with a straight line, then a U-turn, then go back to your starting line. Travel stitch along it, and then echo that shape. You're going for that look of that very long, narrow, hot candy. That kind of red, spicy candy that tastes so good. When you finish your first one, then you're going to travel stitch and come up with another shape, working in kind of a different direction. And this set of designs is really similar to Echo Shell and Echo Rainbow. They're all in the same family of designs, and they all work very, very similarly. But it's just a very simple echoing design, and you're just going for keeping that long, narrow shape. You can actually make these hot candies much, much bigger and longer than I am in this video. And just play with moving it along your space. You can see that I start in the left-hand corner and generally work from left to right, more or less in a row. When I get to the right side of my quilting space, I'm simply going to rotate the whole piece and work straight down towards myself. And this is going to allow me to be able to see what I'm doing and constantly be moving towards myself rather than away. Now this design moves very, very easily and smoothly on any scale, which means that you can stitch this really small, like you're seeing me stitch it in this video, but you could also expand all of the lines of quilting, all of the spaces between them, and easily stitch this into a big bed-size quilt. Now you are going to have some weird areas to deal with, and you can see me stitching in that one right now. And the best thing to do is just simply stitch some back and forth lines to fill that space. No filler design is ever going to completely fill a space perfectly, but the best thing you can do is simply memorize the rules of the design, which, are very basic. Come up with that first very narrow shape and then echo it. Those are the rules, and once you memorize those rules, you can fit this design into any space, in any quilt. And here's what it looks like when you finish hot candy. For over 250 videos on free motion quilting just like this one, check out daystyledesigns.com.